Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Abhinav, and I am a third year CSE student of Bangalore Institute of Technology. Today we are going to execute our first Devops lab program, which we have to create a Maven project. After creating the Maven project, we need to make some changes in the program of the main project, and we have to get our desired output. After that, we need to create a GitHub repository and then push our project in that GitHub repository. So the first thing which we have to do here is we have to create a Maven project. This is the command to create a Maven project. Here we have several things. The first thing is MVN. MVN is nothing but it is used to invoke the Maven command line interface. Then we have group ID. Group ID is nothing but it will tell us what folders we are creating in it. Then we have D artifact ID. Artifact ID means what will be our project name. Then D version means what version of Maven are we using. Then snapshot means development version. Then we have D artifact archetype, which is nothing but it will tell us what template to use. So after that, yeah, that's all. And then we have D interactive mode false, which is nothing but it is telling Maven not to give any prompt input. Okay, so once that is done, the next thing which we have to do is we have to go to our whatever our file which we created using the cd command, that is cd maven list app. After going to cd maven list app, we need to write the tree command, which will give us the structure of the entire project which we have created. Now we can see we have a app.java. Need to navigate to the app.java file. So here we have app.java. We need to open app.java and then we need to make some changes to the app.java file. The app.java looks something like this right now. We need to make changes to make it look like. We have to make changes to make our app.java program have this program, and then we have to save it. After this, we have to create a source.txt so that our text can be extracted from that, and then we have to paste that text in destination.txt, which will be done by this program. Okay, now once we have made our changes to the app.java file, we have to create a source.txt which should look something like this. Inside that, we have to put any text which we like. And now after this, what we need to do is we need to go to our pom.xml file. Now our pom.xml file will be located in our Maven list app itself. So we need to open it and then make changes to that also. So simply we need to write get it pom.xml. Once you do this, our pom.xml file will open. We have to make changes to that also. Now once our pom.xml file will be updated like this, after this we will have to save it and then we have to exit it. After exiting, we have to write a few commands which will be looking like ambient clean install. So that's our first command. That is mvn clean install. After this, we will be having a series of instructions which will be executed. Okay, so now our mvn clean install has executed. After this, we have to enter the command which is called as tree. Now on adding tree, what we will see is we'll have we'll have 28 directories and 14 files created. After they are created, we need to run a command known as java java jar target maven list app snapshot jar. Now what this will do, it will execute our maven list app. So okay, so as you can see, after running the mvn clean install, we have got 28 files and 28 directories and 15 files. Now after this, we have to execute our program for which we need to use this command, the java jar target maven list app snapshot.jar. After executing this, we will get our output. So yeah, as you can see, a file has been copied successfully. You can also go and go and check in the folder like this. Wait. Yeah, you can see we have our Maven list app. Now if we click on destination, it has been copied successfully to our destination. That is hello world, which was there in our source. Okay, so the next step is creating a GitHub repo and then pushing our files in that. Okay, now once we are done with that, we need to go to our GitHub. We need to create new and then create new repository. This page will open. We can give any program, any repository name. That is, let's say we'll give it Devops _1. So that will be our. We can give any description. Visibility will be public, and then we can create our repository. After creating our repository, it should be looking something like this. Yeah, so this is our repository. Now we can connect our uh, computer with this repository using some commands. Okay, so now here we have few steps to connect our repository. First we will git init. Now we can see initialize empty git repository in home whatever we had. Okay, now we need to go to our now we need to do git add. So git add dot. Once this is executed, we'll be adding git commit /m initial is nothing but the commit name, that's all. So now once it is thus once it is done, it will look something like this. After this, what we need to do is we need to add this command git remote or add origin and then the link which we have copied earlier from our GitHub, which is nothing but this link. Okay, so as you can see, this is the link which we have. We have to clear some extra stuff which has copied by mistake, I guess. Okay, yeah, now once this is done, we need to press enter and our git should be initialized. Now once this is done, we can go to our GitHub and see. Okay, so the next thing which we need to do is we need to go to our GitHub. We have to open this one and then our profile. We have to go to the settings, then we have to go to the developer settings which will be there. Now after going to the developer setting, we need to add our tokens. So we can go here and we can see we'll have options to add token. It will take some time. Personal access token. We can add token classic and then it will ask us to let's see if it's asking us to verify or not. If not, we can directly add. Okay, generate new token. Generate a new token classic, I guess. And after this, we will have this. We can repo and workflow will be taken here, and we can give names also, I guess, to our tokens. Okay, is there any note? Okay, there is no note. All right, we can create this token. Once our token is created, okay, will give us the name as mvn mvn token. Basically, T stands for token. We can generate the token. After our token is generated, so after creating our token, the next thing which we had to do is we have to add this command. This from HTTPS to here is our token, and after that followed by our git whatever we had our places and location where it is there. Okay, so as I have already added it, so it's showing that it's already added. Now after this, okay, now after this we have some commands which we can use to push our code in our repository. So these are the commands which you can use. We have git branch main. We'll just copy and paste it here. After this, we'll be using this command, which is okay, remote add origin. Copy, and we'll be pasting this also here. After this, we can just simply git push uorigin main, and our code should be pushed in our repository. Okay, so after entering our username and password, all the files should be pushed in our GitHub repository, which we can go and see. Okay, as you can see, our all the files has been pushed to our GitHub repository. So yeah, this was our first DevOps program. Thank you for watching.